We are looking for a little bit of help. Since we're diving more these days, our cameras capture creatures we can't identify from time to time. Hopefully this short video will be seen by some divers more knowledgeable than us, or perhaps someone trained in marine biology that might be able to steer us in the right direction. Each clip is numbered, so if you have any idea about what these creatures are, please comment below or send us a note through tropiclens.com. Here they are. I was filming coral at Hole in the Wall one night when I was lucky enough to catch an attack. Keep your eye to the left of the coral. Some kind of fish was hiding in the sand and grabbed another fish. After some gulping, it reburies itself. Our dive guide spotted this, but hadn't seen anything like it before. It looks like a worm of some sort. It doesn't have any bristles, so I don't think it's a fireworm. This appears to be some sort of anemone, but I haven't seen one floating before. I caught it drifting past the Antilla shipwreck. We saw a couple of these orange crabs on our night dive. They were very small. Not sure if it's a juvenile or just a small crab, but what kind? I think this is either a blenny or a goby, but the head is throwing me off. It appears to be almost separate, or like it's wearing a helmet, and the gill breathing moves the helmet in and out quite a bit. At first I thought this might be a leaf, but as I approached I could see a body, narrow tail, and facial features. Part of me thinks this is a lure of some sort, but I haven't seen anything like it before. If we weren't in Aruba, this white coral might be mistaken for a patch of snow. We saw it a couple times on this dive. Hopefully someone can easily identify it, but we couldn't find it in our coral book. The pattern on this fish caught my eye, but I couldn't tell what it was. The shape seems to fall in the silvery fish category. To be fair, we do have videos where we actually know what we saw. If you're interested, check them out. If you like them, let us know or subscribe. And thanks for the assist if you know what any of these were.